Dear students, in this topic, we shall discuss the parts of the alimentary canal present in the head gut. Head gut is the anterior region of alimentary canal which receives food through ingestion. It consists of structures for feeding and swallowing. These parts include the buccal cavity and pharynx. The buccal cavity is the space behind the mouth. Mouth एक ओपनिंग है और इससे अंदर वाला जो पार्ट है that is called buccal cavity. Buccal cavity has many associated structures. For example, mouth parts are jaws, teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. Due to these parts, buccal cavity performs many functions. We shall discuss these functions one by one. The first function of buccal cavity is the selection of food. Buccal cavity selects food through taste and feeling. If taste or feeling is not good, then food is rejected. And if it feels a good taste and feeling, food is swallowed. The second function of buccal cavity is to handle the food and masticate it. These processes involve teeth and tongue. Teeth are present in all vertebrates and are used for holding or tearing the prey or food. They also grind the food by a process which is called mastication. Tongue is also present in all vertebrates and assists in grasping, handling, and rolling the food during the process of mastication. चबाने के अमल के दौरान में ज़ुबान एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है क्योंकि ये इनटेक फूड को या इंजेस्टेड फूड को मुकम्मल तौर के ऊपर रोल करने में, ग्रैस्प करने में और हैंडल करने में रोल प्ले करती है. It is also very important in swallowing process. इसके अलावा ये फूड सिलेक्शन में भी हेल्प करती है क्योंकि इसके पास टेस्ट बड्स मौजूद होती हैं जो कि गस्टेटरी कीमोरिसेप्टर्स रखती हैं. Dear students, buccal cavity has salivary glands which produce saliva. Saliva lubricates the food material. This lubrication assists in swallowing as well as in partial digestion of starch foods because saliva contains an enzyme which is called salivary amylase. Dear students, buccal cavity के बाद pharynx आता है. Pharynx का major function swallowing है. Swallowing वो process है which allows the bolus of food formed after mastication to pass it from the buccal cavity into the esophagus. तो pharynx जो है ये bolus of food को buccal cavity से esophagus में मुंतकिल करता है through a process which is called swallowing. Swallowing एक बड़ा sensitive और highly integrated function है which involves integrated movement of muscles of tongue and pharynx. It also involves peristaltic movements of esophagus. Swallowing occurs in many steps. First, the tongue pushes the bolus to the back of mouth. Bolus को आहिस्ता आहिस्ता back of the mouth की तरफ tongue push करती है. Then the soft palate or uvula moves upward and backwards, which closes the nasal opening. उसके बाद larynx moves upward and brings the epiglottis to a horizontal position. this process closes the glottis, which is the opening of trachea. ये जो प्रोसेस है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ग्लॉटिस की क्लोजिंग इंतहाई इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर ये ग्लॉटिस क्लोज ना हो तो ऐसी सूरत में फूड विल एंटर द ट्रेकिया, विच विल चोक द ट्रेकिया एंड कॉज डेथ. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, the beginning of swallowing action is voluntary, but once the food reaches the back of buccal cavity near the pharynx, swallowing becomes involuntary, which is under the direct neural control of medulla oblongata of the brain.